Digital Teaching Learning Material for PWID. Digital Teaching Learning Materials (DTLMs) are useful for persons with intellectual disabilities to learn the activities under vocational skill training at their own pace. Digital TLMs are valuable web-based resource for stakeholders which will help them to teach vocational skills in a systematic and simplified manner. It can also be used as self-instructional learning materials for developing work-related competencies for persons with intellectual disability.
Scribbling pad. Major sub-activities: paper folding and creasing, stacking of folded papers, perforation of folded papers, color paper and cardboard, pinning machine, cutting of marble strip, adaptive device, packing of scribbling pads. Required materials: cutting machine, white papers, color sheet, cardboard, marble paper strip, gum, pinning machine, scale, 23 by 8H staples, scissors, pencil, creaser, sponge, adaptive device for pasting, fold the white papers by holding opposite edges. Creasing the papers by using creaser. Fold the papers as per requirement. Stacking of folded papers. Make perforation of folded papers. Count and arrange the folded papers, 4 numbers in order. Take the color sheet and cardboard and measure with a scale. Similarly, the cardboard has to be taken with same measurements. Cutting machine. Unlocking the adaptive device. Cutting of color paper and straw board in required size, that is 22 centimeters by 18 centimeters. Assembling the materials. Pin the materials by using pinning machine. Cutting of marble strip in required size, that is 7 cm by 22 cm. Take the adaptive device and place the scribbling pad appropriately. Check the scribbling pad while placing. Top side should touch the top. Apply gum on the top side of the marble strip. Keep scribbling pad to dry for 10 minutes. Cutting the left, right, bottom of scribbling pad for neat finishing. Locking the adaptive device after finishing of the cutting work. Packing of scribbling pads. In this video, you learned paper folding and creasing, stacking of folded papers, perforation of folded papers, color paper and cardboard, pinning machine, cutting of marble strip, adaptive device, packing of scribbling pads. Thank you.